In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Double Exponential Moving Average, or DEMA, in Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend and make sure you are on the main chart screen where all of your chart tools and settings are visible. Once you are on the platform, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. In this section, look for the Indicators icon located just below the Add Widget option. After finding the Indicators icon, click on it to continue. When the Indicators menu opens, click Add Indicator to begin searching for the Double Exponential Moving Average, or DEMA indicator. After selecting Add Indicator, a list of available indicators will appear on the screen. From here, you can either scroll through the list manually or use the search box to quickly locate the indicator. If you want to search directly, click on the search box and type DEMA. Once the matching result appears, click on it to add the indicator to your chart. After selecting the indicator, the Double Exponential Moving Average will immediately appear on the chart area inside Robinhood Legend. Once the indicator has been added, you can continue by adjusting its settings and appearance. To do this, locate the Setting option connected to the DEMA indicator. Click on Setting to open the customization panel. Inside the Settings menu, you can make changes to the indicator configuration and appearance directly from the available options. Continue adjusting the settings according to the setup you want to use on your chart. After making your changes, close the Settings panel, and the updated configuration will automatically remain applied to the chart. The Double Exponential Moving Average indicator will continue displaying on your chart while you work inside Robinhood Legend. You can also continue monitoring your chart with the DEMA indicator active on the screen. That is how you add Double Exponential Moving Average, or DEMA, in Robinhood Legend.